The UP Fighting Maroons just got their victory against the National University Bulldogs. You know what time it is? Hands in. UP's locked in. Lahat ng mga naging kritisismo sa kanila dati, parang tinake note nila yun isa-isa. Kasi alam naman nila kung gaano sila kalakas eh. It's just a matter of how they would be able to play together that really was showcased dito sa laban na to. Lalong-lalo na yung defensive powers talaga. Yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko. Tsaka men, sobrang ganda ng depensa ng UP nung second half. Just imagine, yung huling field goal ng NU was during the 2-minute mark ng third quarter. Ang susunod na field goal nila, pagkatapos nun, was less than 3 minutes in the fourth quarter. So, halos 10 or 11 minuto na hindi nakascore ang NU sa open court. Iba yung field goal guys sa free throw So, nakascore yung NU sa free throws. Pero yung field goal, yung during the open play na nagtatakbuhan silang lahat, wala talaga. And I really admire the offense now coming in from the Fighting Maroons kasi yung leading scorers nila ay si Noruka at si Gani Stevens. Those were also the patterns na nakita ko when they won their first game kontra sa UE. When you really activate your bigs, kahit nga si Abadiano dito 0 points. But honestly, that didn't matter for him because a lot of people were stepping up. Walang first option, second option. Anybody can score. Migs Iniguez had 8. It's a name that you probably have never heard before. Pero ito ang buhay na patunay na malalim talaga yung roster ng UP. And props to Coach Goldwyn Monteverde kasi alam niya kung sino yung ipapasok for defense. Alam niya rin kung sino yung magaganda na magkakasama talaga to make a run together.